What's up, guys? This is Will, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some screen protectors that I picked up for my iPhone XR. So I picked these up off of Amazon.com. I'll leave the link down in the description for you if you want to pick them up. I think the price was around $6.99, $7, something like that. So they're inexpensive tempered glass screen protectors. If you don't want to spend a bunch of money on some screen protectors for your device, then you can check these out. But these are the Mr. Shield glass screen protectors. I've used these before, and I've had pretty good luck with them. So these are 9H hardness, high definition, 2.5D round edge. You get a pack of 3 of them here. So let's take them out and see what's all included. So far, really am enjoying the iPhone XR. Great device. Speedy. Definitely looks pretty good. And, you know, a lot of people complain about the display on it. So far, it looks great to me. It's not, it's not going to be the best display out there. But it looks good. You had the 8 Plus or the 8. It'll fall right in line with those, in my opinion. So let's see what all we got here. Mr. Shield lifetime replacement warranty, no hassle. So that's good. See what else is included here. So of course you get your instructions pamphlet here. File that to the side. You get a bubble remover here. Microfiber cleaning cloth. You get some alcohol pads. You get some cleaning tape, dust removal. So Mr. Shield hooking you all up for, I think it's $6.99. So not a bad deal. And we'll see how they work out. So you get your 3 screen protectors here. So you get a lot in the packaging here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this applied. I don't need but one of those. Need 1 alcohol and microfiber cleaning cloth and probably dust removals here. So let's take a look at the screen protector before I get this going. So it's going to be a full face screen protector here. So let's see. I like to line it up first, kind of get an idea. So as you can see, that's how it's going to fit right there. The light's not getting on you. Okay, so I may speed this up a little bit as I clean it and apply it. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so I have the tempered glass, Mr. Shield tempered glass screen protector installed. As you can see, pretty easy installation, nothing to it, just like your regular tempered glass screen protectors. This is a inexpensive one though, but it looks good. I don't see any bubbles or anything on here, and there's that beautiful blue color. Really liking this device so far, man. I'm gonna take it out and get some picture samples, video samples and things of that nature today. But strolling around with this screen protector, looks good, feels good. No stickiness or anything like that. So like I said, I've used the Mr. Shield before, and they always seem to work out. So let's see what it looks like with a case here. This is my Subcase Unicorn Beetle Hybrid case, and as you can see, there's plenty of room around the screen protector, so it's going to work well with cases as well. So, and there's that black and blue. Man, that looks good. But anyway, I got more videos to come on this device. Got more cases. Got cases videos. I'm going to take it out today and get some video footage and some picture samples. And we'll get back with y'all. But catch y'all in the next video. The link for these screen protectors will be down below. Next video, we're out of here.